how to strike through on Google Docs. If you want to strike through on Google Docs, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is you have to simply open up your Google Docs right here. Normally, the most common one is Control B, which will take you to a bold one, Control I, which will take you to italic, Control U, which will take you to the underlined one. But where is the strike through option? There is also a shortcut for strike through, but it's a little bit three button combination on your keyboard. But a simpler way would be to simply highlight the text that you want to have a strike through to, and then you want to simply go to the option called Format. From Format, you want to simply go to Text. From Text, you'll find this option called Strike Through. The formula is also Alt Shift plus 5, which is a little bit complicated to remember. But if it's the thing that you use frequently, you can see you can successfully add a strike through text just like that. This way, you'll be able to add a strike through on Google Docs. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.